January 17th, 2020. Alhamdulillah, I managed to rent a place, and it's not way up high in the mountains, but it's high enough to get a little bit of snow that we had a couple of days back. Uh, some of it is still remaining where the sun is not hitting directly. But anyway, this is a somewhere around quarter of an acre, or maybe three-fourths of an acre, which is made into what do you call it now? Fields which can be cultivated, which are just behind these trees, and rest is just mountainous, like rest is all like that. So when I say three-quarters of an acre, I don't mean all this. I just mean the land which is, workable to grow crops, not including the fruit tree was. So this is in that area that I've got. Then I've got this as a front garden type thing. Excuse the chainsaw at the background, and I'll show you the rest in a little while. Here what I'm doing is that I've got quite a few plants like tulips, snowdrops, hyacinth, daffodils, stuff like that. So because as I mentioned, I'm renting it, it's not my place, so I'm gonna plant them here for the time being. Hopefully in a year or so, once I get some land for myself, then I can dig them up and take them with me. So this part was a little higher than the surrounding area, so first I was thinking just put this bulbs in and cover it, but because I'm already late, as I mentioned, we are in January, so I thought just dig up the ground a bit, and then I'm gonna plant them in. I'm gonna make a bed here, plant them in, and cover them with the cardboard, leaves, mulch, that kind of stuff. So here's what the plants and the berries that I've got. And these are the parts which can be cultivated. One step is just up there, and the second, third, and then not the next one, which is down there, but the one after, I've been told, is in this property. So I'm gonna work on fencing it off from the animals, and I'll see what I can do here now. But in a way, don't have that much time because it's January, and next couple of months I'm traveling back, and then I'll probably be back next year and see what I can do here when I can spend some more time here.